don't belong in the world. That's what it is. Something separates me from other people. Everywhere I turn.
Hello angels. So today I'm going to be sharing a thrift haul that I got. Let's open it up and just show what the haul is and how much I got everything for. First item I'm so freaking excited about. It's, you know how vintage resellers on Depop show that brand gun sacks. This is a literal gown from that brand. Let me show it here. You can see the brand here, Gun Sacks. And it looks so freaking good. It's so huge and poofy. I mean, just look at it. I adore it. Our next item from the haul, 100% silk top. And it looks like this. So let me try it on. And I'll show you. It has these really cool front pieces that can be styled any way that you want. So that's the reason that I decided to get it. Look at the freaking price. I haven't taken the price tags off so I can show you guys how much everything was. But this whole, pure silk top blouse is $5. Like, that's insane. $5. Next up, we have this super freaking pretty, silky material button-up blouse. And just look at the pattern on this. I was thinking there were so many ways to style this. Like, you could style it as a jacket outside of your other items. I could wear a corset over it, or I could wear it under dresses in the winter time as a layering piece. So I just love this freaking material. So pretty. Look at how the sun shines on it. The pattern, it's gorgeous. I love it. And I forgot to mention, this whole top is $4. So freaking nice. It's so pretty. I love it. Next up is this super freaking beautiful, puff sleeve, champagne looking top. And it comes with a string to wrap around or a waistband area. And I just love it. The material looks so gorgeous in the sun. And I love these puff sleeves. They come with shoulder pads too, so they're super, super puffy. And this was $10. Next piece is this super beautiful bubble hem dress. I know it's actually a trend in 2024, so I didn't actually hop on the trend, but this dress is so gorgeous. And for $12, I mean, so freaking pretty. And the reason that I really had to get it is because of these bows on the edge, these strings, so you can tie it up so it can really snatch you in. It'll fit perfectly. Next up is this really gorgeous sheer top. I think it would be so good for layering or over any sort of thing, just to add more interest to the outfit. You can see these gorgeous puff sleeves and these lace details on the front. And this was originally $8, but the day that I went, they had 50% off all robes and pajamas and intimate sets, so I got it for $4. Isn't that insane? Such a good deal. So excited to try it and style it. Next up, I got this super long and gorgeous robe. It's so flowy. It has that kind of meshy see-through material as well. And I think this would be such a good layering piece too. And it's super long, so it has that super dramatic look. And this, again, was part of the robe sale. And I believe it was also $8 discounted to $4. Crazy. Next up, I got another button-up top. This one was $22, but you can see it has this really pretty, really nice lacy detail. It's hand embroidered, and this is 100% silk again. So for 22 bucks, 100% silk, it's still a really freaking good deal. The next top is this one for $16, and as you can see, it's a little bit of a mock neck with these really pretty meshy puffed sleeves. So it looks super cute, and I feel like it would be really cool to style. It has that romantic but also slightly modern look to it. So I love it. So excited for this one too. It's just another really long robe that has that transparent see-through look to it. And I got it for $4, and this was with no discount. So guys, you have to go thrifting. It's so worth it. I can probably come up with a video for more thrifting tips too, but just trust me, this is $4. It's so pretty. If you bought it at a store, it'd definitely be at least like 25, 30 plus. Next up is this super pretty button-up dress with a waist tie, and it's just so nice. I've seen this girl once style a button-up dress just only buttoned on the top and completely open on the skirt part, and she showed like cute shorts underneath, and it was just billowing behind her. So ever since then, I really wanted a nice maxi button-up dress that I can style with like skirts underneath or whatever I want underneath and just leave it open. So now I have one, and look at the print. It's so pretty. Next up is this super cute vintage camisole top. And as you can see, it has just completely see-through lace in the front. It's so pretty. And I'm so excited because I see stuff like this on Depop all the freaking time. And it's always at least like $30. But I got it for $14. I think it's quite a good deal still. And I'm really excited to be styling this. I love playing with just transparency and all these different looks with fabrics, and this is going to be a great layering piece. Super excited. Next up, this was a crazy good deal. It's a very structured dress, as you can see. Maxi skirt. It was under the wedding dress section, and I believe that this is supposed to be some sort of dress that you wear like underneath other dresses to make it poofier, but I tried it on and it looks really good on its own, so I'll probably just wear it on its own too as a maxi skirt and as a kind of underneath layer, and it looks so good. This part really snatches you in, so I'm really excited for this one. And this one was $10, which is just like insanely good deal too. And finally, I got this super cute faux fur cape. It really has that shoujo girl look to it. I'll try it on and I think you'll see what I mean. This will be so freaking cute for the winter. So excited to wear this one. Actually, the day that I bought everything, I put this on because it was cold and I needed a jacket. And it was $12 for this item. Finally, I got 3 different lingerie-ish pieces. This is the first one. It's basically just a regular bra that has really cute kind of lace detailing on the side trim. And I was debating either just styling this as is or cutting off the cups and turning it into a under bust sort of corset looking piece. So we'll see what I do with it, but this was $3, and I think for $3 this is so cute, and I can think of a lot of ways to style this in my wardrobe. Next up is this little strapless bra, and I just think it's so cute and delicate looking. I really like the look of a little bit of a lacy bra trim showing over just under like any sort of top that you're wearing. Kind of like how this is looking. Like imagine a little bit of the lace bra peeking through your outfit, and I think this would be really perfect with that. Imagine any sort of v-neck or anything like that. It's super cute, and this one was $3 as well, so super worth it. Last but not least, I got the starter belt. So I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. It's so pretty, and the size is a little bit large on me, but for $6, I mean, I saw the same thing on like Amazon and Temu and stuff, but I didn't really want to get it from there. And I think the legit piece, it has these clips on the bottom that I'm super excited about. You can basically use these to create really pretty ruffles and kind of pin up any sort of long dress or any sort of dress and give it a really cool, like really fancy vibe.